So I'm gonna go fill the water up for the pigs, get on this tractor, and sit in some water. So another exciting day on the Schroeder farm. If there's any questions or anything like that, or if anybody wants to please make comments. I'll write to every single one of you. There's my hammock over there. You can see it. Kind of did it fast, but building a little camp area for the winter. Something that's going to be kick-ass. Anybody can be invited and kick it. I hope everybody had a good Labor Day weekend. I miss Tuckerville. It's a little music festival I go to, but hopefully I'll have some, get my business going and have some good videos of that coming up soon. This is my piggy. My little piggy. Piggy. Hey. Sausage. There you go, boys. You're on camera, do something sweet. Come on, do something sweet. Don't say no. Come on, stop being shy. Get out here. He's a little shy. Ta-da! Action! Come on, Piggy. Come on. Get out here. You'd like to run. Come on, Piggy. Did you just twerk it? Did you just twerk it? Come on, Piggy. He'll run. He'll get far enough. And that is sausage sandwich. And that's sausage. There's his ass. And that's his little mud pit that I made him. And that's where he keeps getting out. Little motherfucker. Pardon my French.